Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I've come with a new video that is really very important and very interesting to you, because in this video I'm just going to share to you like how I am changed to learn English language and what the things that I have done for speaking English language, for learning English language. So I hope you are doing great and you are learning English language great way. Even though I'm also doing great and learning English language in a great way, my practice is going very well by the grace of you and by the grace of the God. So as I know that all the people, they want to learn English language and definitely they want to achieve the success to speak better way English language. So we cover a beautiful journey while doing something new. We just cover a beautiful journeys that is really very interesting to hear. Same with me, it has happened like when my journey of the English has been started when I was the beginner one. At the time I had faced a lots of difficulties. I had faced a lots of problems while speaking English language. So like at the time, from that time only, I have just changed myself for learning English language. I have just reformed myself. You don't know how much problem I have get. If you can't just like, if you don't trust me that is I'm just saying to you true or false, then you could just go on my channels and you could see my previous video about when I started to upload the videos, and just see now's video. You could see a large difference, and definitely I could say that there is a large difference between it, and I could say that for learning English language they needed a lots of things to do. But if we will focus how to do that kind of things, then definitely we could be a good speaker and can speak without hesitations or without fearness. So like that also similarly it has happened with me. When I was the beginner one, I was not able to speak at all, even though I was facing lots of hesitations and lots of fearness I was having. Do you know that when I started to speak English language in front of the people, when I started to speak English language with a co-learner, at the time I was sweating, even though like whatever the things I was knowing, like I was knowing the broken English also at the time, but I was fearing to speak with the people. That's what I had faced this kind of problems. But now, as I just think that if we will face the camera, then we will not face any kind of problem, because camera removes our hesitation and fearness. From the beginning time only I have started my practice to speak in front of mirror and in front of camera. I hadn't like think that if I will practice in audio call, then I could better in communications and I could jump on the video call. It was not like that. I had started on the video call only, and my communication of the English has been started from that time only. So firstly I can say I was not knowing to form the sentence also, so I have just improved my grammars to learn English language in a better way. And after knowing this kind of things, I have just jumped on the practice part. I was doing a practice a lot, because practice makes a man perfect, we all know. That's why I had practiced a lot for learning English language, for knowing English language, and I was making consistency. Like I was following the consistency. Do you know that I have also experienced the problem of consistency? Like I've started to speak English language, and I have just left the gap between 1 month. I have just left to practice, and after 1 month I have again started to speak, but I was not able to speak that much good, better than rather than the previous when I was speaking. So I can see that these if we will maintain our consistency, then it will make a flow for learning English language, for learning anything new. So definitely you should be consistent towards your goals, towards your learning English language, and should practice a lot, because practice makes a man perfect. That's why we should practice a lot. Definitely I can say I have changed myself a lot, and there is a lots of struggle that I have faced while learning English language. There is like beautiful journey that I have covered, even though I have also explained my journey of the English language. I have just uploaded a video in that I have just explained my journey of the English language, that what kind of problem I had faced while speaking English language, and what the new things now I am doing and how I am practicing nowadays. That is a great thing. And do you know that when you just get the success, when you just like scoring the things, when you just get the result or just see your achievement, then you get very happy, you get very excited that what I am just getting. Like if you don't able to speak English language, at the time you will feel demotivated, but a time will come that you will not feel that kind of things, because your improvement has been increased. That's why for everybody I am here to say to you that don't think what the people will think. You just have to think that I can do anything whatever I want to do in my life, because nobody sees your struggle, everybody sees your improvement, your result. That's why you have to do only. No one would help you. And for learning English language also, no one would help you, and no one would come to treat you that just to speak, and in place of you they will not speak. You have to only improve. That's why you should have to improve. You don't have to fear, you don't have to lose your hope, you don't have to give up, because if we will give up, then who will just try to do better? That's why you don't have to feel nervousness, don't feel hesitate, and just think I can do anything whatever I want. Because if you will having the determination to do something, then definitely you could do. And the things what I have followed is same. Like I don't give up myself. Whatever, yeah, I have just done a lots of struggle behind this scene. Behind this struggle, there is a lots of beautiful journey that I have faced. Like people, they were laughing at me while I was speaking English language, but now it's not like that. I'm just teaching to all of you. Yeah, definitely I can say I'm making mistakes, but it's enough that you would able to understand my thoughts, my experience. You are able to understand those kind of things. So definitely I can say it's happening with all the people, it happened with all the people. So we don't have to fear all those kind of things, and we have to just move forward towards learning English language. So the things that in today's video I've shared to you is that how I changed myself for learning English language. Like earlier I was not able to speak well English language, but now I'm able to speak well English language. That's what I am just trying to say to you. So thank you guys. I will meet in the next video.